It is day 2 of the freshwater ecosphere, and look at how clear the water is now. Really see almost all the way through it and see all kinds of different stuff in there. Which brings me to my next point. Since yesterday, I have actually spotted a lot more inhabitants inside here. In fact, today, what's very interesting is it looks like we have some insects in here. So some of these might have been larvae. I think there is a baby mosquito right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but right over there, there's a mosquito flying around here, which is actually kind of like a magnifying glass. So I'm gonna use that to show you guys some up close footage. So now what we have here is a flatworm. Also, it's a type of worm that falls under the classification Platyhelminthes. So that's pretty cool. I found that yesterday. There's a couple of these in there. Don't know if you guys can really see it that well, but there is a little, like, almost looks like a freshwater shrimp of sorts. Maybe it's a crawfish. Yeah, so look right here. We actually have a mosquito. So there were mosquito larvae swimming around in here. There could be a lot more, and that might be what's swimming around right there, all those little tiny things. Now, unfortunately, these mosquitoes are probably going to die, and the reason why is because there's nothing in there for them to basically suck their blood. Also, Mr. Fishy is very much still alive. You can see him swimming right there. He is still alive, for all of you guys who were wondering. I hope he lives a very long life. Let's see if I can get a better look at him. So here is a mosquito larvae, not fully formed into a mosquito yet, and that's at the surface. I have good news, guys. We have a little snail in here as well. I discovered him yesterday. It seems like he is munching away at whatever the plant he's on. He's going to move around now. He's camera shy. There could be more snails in there too. Also, there are a lot more worms in here than you might think. For example, we have this guy from yesterday, which he has been moving like this for a very long time. I'm not sure what he is doing, but it is very creepy. There seems to be some algae growth in here. I don't know if you guys can see the very slight hint of green over the bottom. Here is Mr. Flatworm. You can see his little eyes actually at the front of his head. Little eye spots, there are 2 little black dots. And he is just crawling away. Whoa, I don't know what he just did, but that's pretty cool. Here's a cool little fellow. I think that is a mosquito larvae swimming around. Now, to give you this is a magnified version. He really looks like that, and that's not really good focused, so we're not gonna do that. But, whoa, he just swam away. He got scared. Now, I could be very wrong with this, but this little fellow right here, I don't know if you can see him moving around right there, little worm. I believe that is a nematode, and that is very freaky. There's a couple of those in here that keep moving around in the air. But as you can see, there is a lot of things just swimming around in here.
You're gonna choke on that. Get it?
So what we can infer from today's video is that the water is a lot more clear today, and we have an abundance of life in here. There's a lot of new things in here that we didn't see yesterday. For example, the flatworm, the snail, the little nematodes. And for me, I believe the most interesting thing is that we have mosquitoes in here. I forgot that they bred in fresh water, and now there is what looks like 2 adult mosquitoes, not fully grown, but mosquitoes in here. And there could very well be more as the day progresses. But thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, leave a comment down below, drop a like. Thank you all for watching.